Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to mute audio in video using CapCut. This is a simple task. For this, open your application. After it opens, open that project in which you want to mute audio. Just for example, I have a single project and I will open it. Once the project will be open. If your video is not imported in the CapCut, then import that tapping on this import icon and select video from your PC folders. After it, tap on your video and drag it to the timeline. Now, time to mute the audio. There are two ways. The first one is take a look on the left side of your video. Here you will see a few options. And from these, you have to tap on this option Mute Audio Track. You can see the track is muted. Now if I played the video, I will not hear any sound of the music. It was the first way, and let's move to the second way. The second way is, if you want to add music, then the second way will help you. If you do it right, click on your video and tap on this option, Extract Audio. Now the audio has been extracted, tap on it, and if you want to mute it, then mute it by tapping on this speaker icon, or if you want to delete it, then do a right click and tap on this delete. And this music will be deleted and you can add music, but be careful. After extracting the audio, you have to tap on this speaker icon, not on this. If you tap on it, nothing will be changed. And it was a primary way by which you can mute audio and video using CapCut.